Haringkat kari borok kawai kari Bhoi district kala Rakhe ka Republic Day banyobusan hak arpun rutruk kalalingkat arjar pusau hak bagi pajba kilawan bersaki syaka jing Rakhe ka balap perlong dekat district administration hamanan NSA PAPSM hak ba usumbut menteri ke jelau ba presiden tensong la kan tewi kala malai rong jong kari bat shimru ika saliut ika parit jong ki kenhun parit bakan top ika kenhun jong ki pulet bat ki kena skol ki betana ka tanyari Bhoi nalor usumbut menteri ke jelau ba presiden tensong la don banasa khilang hak ka Sngi do MLA ka Nongpoh uba meral bons M u arpit upadaya deputy commissioner kari Bhoi USP kari Bhoi JS Dhanwa UMDC ke Nongpoh ba belajar rani lembat kiwi ki officer ki tanat rekam ba per hakane ka Sngi lapan iru ika tablu jong ki tanat ba per bat la samru ikus nam shki nong tre ka tanat ka khoj khya kum juru na prengi nong shimbenta ha ka parit ki khna ka JNV nyang beri ki la khori ka kusnam baningkong kat ba ka office jong ka fishery department ka khori ka kusnam baningkong ha ka jingpen itablu ha ka cultural program la khori ka school JNV nyang beri.
Approaching the saluting dais to take the salute now is the 6th MLP Battalion Umran under the command of Armed Branch Sub-Inspector Shri M. Makri. Following the heels of the 6th MLP Battalion Umran and approaching the saluting dais to take the salute now is the Bhoi Scouts under the command of Mr. Jason B. Nongpoh. Following the heels of the Bhoi Guide, we have the Alpha English Higher Secondary School Boys Contingent under the command of Mr. Benji Alvin Karmuja. Ladies and gentlemen, approaching the saluting dais to take the salute now is
the secondary school combined contingent led by Commander Deepan Chetri. Following closely behind is the girls combined contingent of St. Alfred Higher Secondary School under the command of Yubashisha Scheme. Approaching the saluting dais, we have the combined contingent of Morning Star Higher Secondary School led by approaching the arriving at the saluting dais and taking the salute now is the girls contingent of St. Paul. The contingent of St. Paul, we have the boys contingent of St. Higher Secondary School under the command of Starting Stone Timur. This is the girls contingent of JNV Secondary School Nyambari led by Commander Larikitti Nongpoh.
Secondary School with its commander Mr. Ipan Roy Kamden. Ladies and gentlemen, the last contingent approaching the saluting dais to take the salute now is the St. Paul Higher Secondary School Banpatur with its
Nongpoh Division. Nongpoh.
Ladies and gentlemen, next tableau on display this morning, lineup at number 4 is from quality of fresh seed is the most critical input for 16 million fish seed in the form of right will be established hatcheries in the private system where we produce good quality of fish in a 100% controlled environment, spawning of broad fishes. Ladies and gentlemen, under the theme National Oral Health, the National Oral Health Program is a comprehensive program launched by the Government of India to prevent and control
Aru kaburom ya kiklawat kajela utirot sing ukiang nomba patukan sangma bat kiwe kiriu krau kari jongi ikan mau da jinggurom ya kiriu slur nat sipai di parametri force bat dipulit ki lapha ya laga jingim baneda ya kari disensyar jongkari bei jongi akan dikasdan melala kajela kamat ya kasyong suk syong sengan wilayah sekmat dan berbeda ya kecing ya kecil kapu tapdeng Amerika megala batasam adin jom kecing soy ya kayak mulia haulber arajar arpuar nak mendapat berbeda ya kinriu teli kijaka ya kajia ya angut ki menteri rangba kelai pengupian hau jumang arajar arpulai dan sedang berbeda ya kijaka jumut sah kinriu teli kiwipat kijaka kibadang sah Latau ya ke regional committees nak benda kini kitan berkila pelong ya kecilang bagi bor sorkar nasam. Ke sorkar katang panora kecing suk jiskan kejela bat sasisin kala banjur baka koi banekren baka HNLC katkum garti sensyar pajba jongkari India baka kum gaji betil denti jongka Union Ministry of Home Affairs. Keterangan Home Police kalau penklannya kejadian donkam bagi Jakarta jumpa kulit di distrik la kampen klan ru ya kejadian donkam jumpa fire emergency service dan sapender ru akapor babian ya kejing tung ya kumbalai hajar teli kikam balai agat nat kulit mereka kalau pelaj paiba ru ya kastit anten kabarwai ya ro ya kejela kinong snong baka kolsor dan kabanjur ya kejing donkam jumpa jinga teli ya kantem latau hadi jaktin balai itu hadi jingit rekam kakum kami belastin language ar hajar san